Hey everyone, welcome to HillBro RC, and today we're doing an unboxing of the new Super Rock Rey by Losi. Let's not waste any time, let's take a look at it. So the Super Rock Rey is supposed to be the predecessor from the Axial Yeti XL. Supposedly Horizon Hobby or Losi has gone the extra mile, made this truck a lot more stronger, a lot better. Holy smokes, this thing is huge. This is the biggest RC truck we've probably ever had in this shop so far, thus far. So, as we open the package, we can see that they've stuffed it in there really well. Right side up. Comes with all your electrical adapters, your tools, basic tools, batteries for your remote, that's cool. And decals, owner's manual. All right, I just want to see this thing. I've never seen one before. Holy crap, that thing is huge. Holy smokes. Never been opened, obviously. All the plastic's still on it. Look at that. I will say one thing, that probably one of the downsides of this machine is the weight. I think this thing weighs almost 20 pounds. But wow, look at this thing. The first thing that you see when you pull this out is without a doubt the detail of this machine. You've got light bars in your bumpers, a roof bar, about 8-inch light bar on the top. Check out these components. Everything is just thick and just built to beat. All your suspension A-arm components. Look at these push rods right here. The push rods alone. Holy smokes. And then you look at just the finer detail. You got the piggyback reservoir Fox shocks. Of course, I don't think that these have much function as far as a piggyback, but they look awesome. Come a little closer and you see mirrors, the real rubber nettings. The navigator actually really has notes to tell the driver what's coming up. Fire extinguisher, more piggyback reservoirs for the back shocks. A spare tire rack. Check this out. That is a spare tire. Like, you can actually use that tire. Check out these tires, the new Maxxis rock racing tires. Oh, let's get that out of there. Boom. Check that out. Holy smokes, everything about it is huge. Hey, look, chase lights. I didn't know this thing had that. Chase lights. I love the detail they put in the radiator right here. On-off button, really easy to reach. That's real nice. Limiter straps for the back shocks. I didn't know it had that either. On the real trucks, they use these to help protect the shocks from overextending when you're racing. See that? And they're adjustable as well, so you can extend them further or shorten them up if you'd like. Let's turn this thing over real quick. Holy smokes. Yeah, it is heavy. Big trailing arms. Really beefy and along with the back axle. And something that's nice about the Super Rock Rey is that you have access for your batteries and all your electronic components from the bottom. Just so you don't have to take off the hood and rip into the truck. Apparently you can pull back your hatch here, bring up your battery door. You can undo these bolts to gain access to your electronics. This is cool. Check out that brake clip. Usually on RC models, the disc doesn't move, but these discs actually move within the brake calipers. You got your sway bar right here. You can't see it. Oh, you can right there. This thing isn't just built to beat, it is also built to race and be good at it. You can tell the detail not just with the shocks, the type of shocks they put on it, but also the sway bars and everything. So getting right into the bag here, what it comes with, you got a sheet of decals, Team Losi, a little flyer showing you the spectrum. Kind of like what Traxxas has on their links on their remotes. You can track all the information, your battery life and your servo adjustments and everything right there. Owner's manual, which everyone reads. Some spare parts for your back axles. Battery prongs, a bind plug, radio batteries, and your basic tools. This kit is R2R, ready to run, other than, of course, your batteries and your chargers. You will have to purchase your batteries, whether they're 3S or 4S, if you want 6S power or 8S power. There's got to be a radio in here somewhere. Imagine it's in this box. Typical yet nice Spectrum radio. All your basic power on, binding and servo trim, steering and throttle. And then your servo reverses. Here, I want to get a closer look at this disc brake and the brake calipers. Now check that out. Holds up all by itself. Let's take this wheel off. Oh, and look, I immediately notice this, in fact, is not a full beadlock rim or wheel. It's just a regular plastic wheel with your Maxxis tires glued onto it. Check that out. That is cool. I like that. As we take the back one off, and obviously we see the same thing. I love how the RC world has kind of moved from being RC trucks to big RC trucks, little RC trucks, to being more real. It just makes you feel a little more proud of yourself, like you're actually doing the real thing. But to tell you the truth, I'm kind of sick of talking about it. I want to go give this thing a rip. So, let's go give it a try. Holy smokes, you guys, the Super Rock Rey is just super fun. You can ride that thing all day, bash it as much as you want, and it just keeps going. And with the 8S power, that thing is just fast, almost scary fast. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. If you like what you saw, remember to comment and subscribe. Hit the little bell button so you're notified every time we upload new videos. We're gonna make new videos of the Super Rock Rey. We're gonna take it to the sand dunes, we're gonna take it to the desert, we're gonna take it to the forest. We're just gonna have so much fun, and we just wanna share it with you guys. Also, if you guys would like to see some of the real stuff in action, like this Textron XX or the YXZ Turbo, be sure to check out our HillBro channel. We are always making videos of these things, doing fun things with these in the wintertime at the sand dunes. It's just all around fun at HillBro. Remember, you guys, go claim it.